Are you a spiritual entrepreneur and trying to make money at home right now? Because if you are looking for some new ways to make money or for some tips to bring your healing into the world right now from home, please watch this video. There are many spiritual entrepreneurs out there, and there has never been another time in history where your services are so needed. So this would include intuitives, mediums, psychics, angel card readers, tarot card readers, energy healers, Reiki practitioners, channels, and anyone with intuitive gifts. This is a call for you to step into service and make sure that other people know that your services are available, because it is really needed right now. If you are a spiritual healer but you have a regular full-time job, perhaps you're not working right now because of coronavirus and staying home and not knowing how to operate your business as a healer or how to brand yourself or really put your energy in that direction in your life at this time. I also want to address all of you out there who are normally working out of a healing center or a spiritual bookstore, and you are cut off from your source and flow of clients and not knowing how to reach them. This video has tips for you as well. In this video, you're going to learn how to brand yourself as a healing and spiritual entrepreneur outside of being associated with a healing center or metaphysical bookstore, because ultimately your clients really want to find you and they want to find your service. Without these businesses in operation at this time, it's highly important that you begin to really step into servicing others right from your very own home. All your sessions can be done online, on Skype, or on Zoom. You can reach a worldwide clientele. You can offer classes, private sessions, online events, and meditations for individuals or groups. Now, the first thing is you really want to make sure that people can find you, that your brand is available, and that people can literally Google search you, find you on social media, or share you by word of mouth to their friends and family. Whenever humanity has undergone massive changes due to war, depression, economic changes, plagues, flus, and massive changes that really impact everybody everywhere, it's really an important time for people who have the calling to serve others to really take that seriously and to begin to really make themselves available. This is your time right now. You are being called into service. So please utilize whatever skills you have available to you to be able to offer healing for other people that may be struggling right now to get through this time at home and through isolation. And the best part is you can monetize all of these things through a simple website. Perhaps you did this work before, or maybe you've always done it on the side part-time, but now being at home, you really have the time to put into your business and to really creating another financial stream of income for yourself and your family, while serving people with a very high vibrational service that is really needed. I'm even going to show you how you can make money and collect money for your services without having a website. The first thing I want you to do is take notice of all the different spiritual gifts that you have, any of your training, any of your skills, any of the classes that you've taken over the years, and make a list of what types of services you have to offer the public that could really benefit them right now. Then I want you to set a price on each service based on your expertise, time in the field, or the time that it takes for a private session with you. One of the best resources that I have used for years in starting and branding my own business was MailChimp. There's a free version of MailChimp, so you can get started right away and use it until you reach a certain number of subscribers. Starting off, you can utilize MailChimp to gather and collect all your email addresses. This would be friends, family, previous clients, coworkers, anybody that you know that you have access to their email. You can actually put that into MailChimp right now for free, starting today, to begin your email list. One of the other wonderful things that MailChimp offers is the ability to create and design landing pages. Now, a landing page is different than a website, but it does allow you to share the URL on Facebook and other social media platforms. You can actually create a landing page and send that in an email to your entire mailing list. Some things that you should think about putting on your landing page would be a photo of you, some of your expertise, skills, or training, what you're offering in the email offer to your clients, and then a pay button. You can synchronize that with PayPal and make sure that if they tap that button for the service, that the money goes immediately into your PayPal and you'll be notified then to schedule their session. You may want to include links at the bottom of the page for any other social media platforms that you belong to or that you are participating in frequently so that they can do their own research and find out a little bit more about you. Whenever you're marketing online, it's important that people can get to know you and follow some of your social media so that they feel more trust in you and more confidence in receiving services from you. So make sure that if you have an excellent profile on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, that you do include links on the bottom of your landing page. So new viewers or people that are not familiar with you in this way can do a little background research so that people can actually find out that you are trustworthy, that you're a real person, that you really do have these skills, and that you're who you say you are. MailChimp has very easy to use templates that you can use for this and personalize however you want to. If you do actually have a website, make sure that you put your link to the website on your landing page as well. When you've completed building your landing page and putting all your content and your offers on there, then you can actually send it to your entire email list in one click of a button. Your first step was to capture your emails, enter them into your MailChimp contact list, build out your landing page with an offer, link it to a pay button, and now you're ready to send it. In one click, it gets sent to your entire mailing list, which means you could literally be scheduling sessions today and making more income by providing a valuable, highly needed service. If you're intuitive but haven't worked as a psychic before, you may be interested in taking some more training just to increase your clarity and confidence in working with clients. Make sure to watch my video here to see if you are a medium. If you are interested in really increasing your mediumship abilities and gaining more confidence and clarity to serve your clients, make sure to check out my Master Your Mediumship program. This is 8 full lessons of mediumship training available online. The link is down below this video. Many professional mediums have taken this course, as well as beginners and intermediate level. And all of them say that they have gained more confidence, more clarity, that they have lots of tools in their tool bag to draw upon, that it has enhanced their mediumship. I'm really, really happy with the results that we've been getting, and I'm really happy to know that I've been able to support other spiritual entrepreneurs, and I'm really happy to know that I have done my part and provided training that allows people to get certified as a professional medium, that they're enhancing their skills, they're able to build a profitable business that does good in the world, that serves their clients, that serves spirit, and is in high integrity with what they came here to do. So if this is you and you feel like you would benefit, check out the link below. It's called Master Your Mediumship. Within just a few short days, you could literally complete the online mediumship training, get certified as a professional medium, and begin setting up your email list and sending out landing pages, email advertising, and social media ads to begin servicing your clients. Your clients right now are looking for your services, and your particular skills are really needed right now. So you don't have a mailing list, you don't have any emails yet, no problem. You can still use MailChimp to create an opt-in offer. There's a beautiful template for that. It's very easy to use. And what you can do is share it on social media with a free offer in exchange for their email. So here's a special tip on how you can begin and grow your email list. Your offer could contain a blog, an ebook, or even a video meditation. It's really easy now to film yourself or a meditation with your smartphone video, upload it to YouTube, and then have the URL and then share it within the MailChimp template. Maybe you want to make a meditation to help release stress, or to bring more peace and light into the body, or to provide spiritual healing. Whatever it is, whatever you feel called to, or whatever your niche is, you can make a meditation video on that and offer that as a freebie to anybody who gives you their email address. Once that's set up, it works like clockwork. Their emails from the opt-in go immediately into your contact database on MailChimp. So it makes it that much easier for you to send out additional information, additional offers, and landing pages to set up sessions. If you're a spiritual entrepreneur, I would love to know what services you have to offer. Please list those down in the comments below and tell us if you are actually in service right now. If you're providing services, if you're marketing yourself, if you're at home and learning how to make money from home as a spiritual entrepreneur, I want to hear all about it. And it would benefit this entire audience to know who they may connect with. So please tell us what types of services that you offer. If you do Reiki, if you do theta healing, if you're a medium or a psychic, please let us know. It's really important to support other spiritual entrepreneurs. So please share this link below and make sure that everyone you know gets access to this video so they can literally benefit from the information and the full list of spiritual entrepreneurs that will be down in the comments below this video. And if you want to enhance your mediumship and really get your professional certification, check out my link for Master Your Mediumship. Thanks so much, everyone. Please subscribe so you get my videos every single Thursday. I can't wait to see you next week. Have a great day.